How to get promo code for Battle Bulls. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Sportskeeda promo codes Battle Bulls and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option. Now, once you're on the website, just scrolling down, you're gonna find the codes for it. So here you will find the list of the codes. You can use these codes while you are in the game. Likewise, another thing you wanna do is head back. In the search box, you can type in Battle Bulls promo code and then search for it. With that as well, you're gonna find different website links. Navigate to any of the link and you're gonna get the code. Just make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily get promo code for Battle Bulls. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.